He lost him. Oh, that's him right there. Bro, what the fuck? What's good, YouTube? We're back with another police activity. Hope y'all good. Hope y'all straight. Other than that, let's get straight to it.
A few moments later.
Activity? Oh shit! Who the fuck be running away in a Honda, bro? And there's mad traffic. Alright, what are you trying to pit him right there? Yeah, hit that. Ooh! Bro, where do you think you're going with a Honda, bro? Is he going through construction site? Is that what I'm seeing? Yo, this dude is crazy, bro. Oh! Motherfucking bouncy cars, bro. I'm surprised that Honda's still going. Holy shit. Yo, the cop's car, bro, sounds like a piece of shit, bro. Oh, damn. Go, bro, go. Oh, did he just fall? Oh, fuck no. Did he turn around on his ass? Bro, but what do you think is gonna happen? You're running away in a Honda Civic, bro. Actually? Bro, actually? Oh my god, bro. How the fuck is this car still moving? Any of their cars, bro. You can't move a car through that. I mean, clearly they are, but holy shit. Bro, where the fuck did that Civic run to, bro? He lost him. Oh, that's him right there. Bro, he was just trying to blend in with the crowd, bro. That motherfucker, I mean, he tried it, bro. He tried it. He tried blending in. He tried it, man. You're done, though, bro. You are done. You ain't going nowhere with that Honda, bro. Woo! He juked his ass. Again? Is he gonna try it again? Oh my, bro, how are these cars still moving, bro? Oh shit. Bro, how is the cop car? Them Dodge ain't that strong, bro. I trust the Civic. Ooh, smacked him. Is he going back? Yeah, you're done, bro. Hop out and run. That's what I would do. Ah, bro, that's an Accord. Bro, what the fuck? Bro, look at this guy. Look at this dude. What the fuck do you think you're going, bro? What did you try? What were you thinking that you were gonna? And that's a Florida tag, bro. That shit happened in Florida. Actually, now that you mention it, looks like Turnpike. Bro, let go of the door, bro. Let go of the door, bro. Why is it still stop? Why is it still talking, bro?
What is wrong with you, man?
He said, I don't know, cuz. Bro, what did you think was gonna happen? Well, you did. Alright, YouTube, that was that video. Hey, buddy thought he was gonna escape in the Civic, bro. I ain't even gonna lie, bro. That dude tripping. But anyways, if you like that video, please comment, like, and subscribe. It really helps out my channel. I post these every week. And other than that, see you next time. Peace.